Beautiful and sweet cakes. Bakers make cakes beautiful and sweet through a combination of skillful techniques, high-quality ingredients, and a passion for creating delicious and visually appealing desserts. Here is why. 1. Skill and experience. Bakers undergo training and gain experience in the art of baking, allowing them to master various baking techniques. They know how to mix ingredients in the right proportions and follow precise instructions to achieve the desired texture and flavor. 2. High-quality ingredients. Bakers use the finest and freshest ingredients to ensure the cakes taste delicious. They carefully select top-quality flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and other key components. Fresh fruits, chocolate, and flavorings are also used to enhance the taste and appearance. 3. Attention to detail. Bakers pay close attention to detail when preparing and decorating cakes. They take care to measure ingredients accurately, follow specific baking times, and maintain consistent temperatures to achieve a perfect cake texture. For the decoration, they use various techniques such as frosting, fondant, piping, and edible decorations to create visually stunning cakes. For creativity, bakers often have a creative flair that allows them to design and craft unique and beautiful cakes. They can create intricate patterns, use vibrant colors, and come up with innovative designs that captivate customers and make their cakes stand out. 5. Presentation. The appearance of a cake is just as important as its taste. Bakers understand that people often eat with their eyes first, so they put effort into making cakes visually appealing. A beautifully decorated cake is more likely to be well received and enjoyed by those who see it and eat it. 6. Customer expectations. Bakers strive to meet and exceed their customers' expectations. When people order cakes for special occasions such as birthdays, weddings, or celebrations, they expect something special. Bakers aim to deliver cakes that not only taste delicious but also make those moments even more memorable with their beauty and sweetness. 7. Passion for baking. Finally, a deep passion for baking and a genuine love for the craft motivates bakers to create cakes that are not only delicious but also visually stunning. This dedication shines through in the final product, making each cake a work of art that brings joy to those who enjoy it. In conclusion, bakers make cakes beautiful and sweet because of their skills, quality ingredients, attention to detail, creativity, commitment to customer satisfaction, and passion for their craft. All these factors come together to create delightful and memorable cakes for people to enjoy on special occasions and moments of celebration.